Are you overwhelmed with the tasks and duties you have to accomplish? So much to do and so little time. This is constant feeling that you have missed something important. Hi, today I want to share a useful tool for your planning, Notion. To decrease the mess around, it's a great idea to outline everything clearly what you have to do and then get to prioritize it. A good project needs good planning. Notion is widely used by no-coders to, to organize everything what is related to the project. So, in order to use Notion, the easiest way is to use template. So, I will go and search for the templates. I need engineering, and to-do list will be exactly what I need. So, I will just use this template and start filling in my content. Firstly, I will change the name to recognize that this is feedback app to-do list, and I will be starting filling in the sections which I want to do. First, I will do database configuration, then styles, and I can also update that this is not started. Get rid of this dummy user and replace with myself. In case of Teams, I would have more collaborators. I will deal with the due deadline dates later on when I have filled in most of the sections. I can duplicate existing entry and we will do also sign up form, etc. So I will be filling in this and then I will work with the deadlines. I will be able to look at the deadlines also in calendar view. Currently it's all set up for August, but I will update that later on. Going into each of the tasks, I have possibility also to uh, write down more detailed tasks. And whenever I have done that task, I can check it that it's done. So this is shortly about no-code partner Notion, and see you in the next videos. Bubble is collaborating with Notion, and actually you can get $1,000 credit for Notion Teams-based plan. Look in the link, in the comments for the link. I will be copying in this blog post, and you will be able to claim your credit. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow No Code Female Founders on Facebook and Instagram. You will find the links below in the comments.